guess I didn't know exactly what I had done. Sometimes your witchy ways, they're just dumb. But I guess if you can believe it, then I can at least respect it from your point of view. But then I'd have to hate everyone, and I'd even have to hate myself too. I can't live that way, that shit's for you. But for me, that's no fun, no fun. That kind of pain does not have any pleasure. Ecstasy and intimacy are like blissfulness, and shuddering through my body, loyalty and faithfulness. Leave me feeling full, floating on natural highs. It's only what's next, there are no more goodbyes. For once, there is not goodbye in her eyes. For me, you cannot compare. I am not sticking my round peg into a spot that was made for the square. I'm tired of the way that you and your people stare. Like you're lucky that God's fair. If it were up to me, you would need to beware. But I always pray it doesn't go there. But you can bet that if God calls it, I will most definitely be there. Besides, you don't want a relationship. You're just looking for someone to be your bitch. But it ain't me, baby. Get off the gas. Back it on. By now, the facts are obvious. I'm not blind, deaf, or oblivious.
Sounds like some crazy shit.
Time for you to let go, there never was an us. You have no fidelity, loyalty, or trust. I went all in, betting on you, and it was a total bust. Well, that's not totally true, because I did get heartbreak and disgust. Everyone in my family has kept me stuck. They never even told me that I was someone else's son. Well, too bad, motherfuckers, look what I done. Because I found out anyway, just because I don't know my name never meant I was excluded from the game, or that you could take away my power. You tried to stop me, but I still found my way to this final hour. Now, I don't have blessings that last. I never had to worry about paying for the gas. You took everything from me, how long did you think it would last? Get out of my life, let go of my wife. You are no longer in control of my life. I have divine protection now, and you have no more power. All the petals have fallen off the flower. Now it's your turn to be like the block in the tower. You can never do what I did because you are a coward. So you'll be there forever, stuck in that tower. If you remember, I talked about this hour. You never deserved this power. Now I'm taking back my power. This hour. You have made God angry. Karma's coming for you. Take a look around. Think about it. I gave you everything you have. It's all because of who I am that you have anything at all. I'm not saying I'm better than you, but over time it just begins to shine through. I am eternal, but for you there is an ending to the story. I begged and I pleaded with you to see things from a different point of view. Selfishness is all you know. I've done everything I know to do except destroy you. So, because my word is true, I'll give you 1,000 years in the abyss to think about the right thing to do. Your collective will face the fury of God's wrath and be wiped from existence. You cheated, but I went the distance. Not to mention, I am the one who created you and darkness. You never should have started this. Why do you want to be so heartless? All this hate brings only death. I get it now. You'd rather die than be found out, I guess. You'd rather die than be found out, I guess. As I sit here, putting the pieces together, and getting it right this time, not doing this shit forever. I hope you can find peace in this dear James. Didn't know what I had done. Your witchy ways, they are dumb. Not all the time. Just sometimes when I'm right.
Cheated, but I would get this
Damn curse being right all the time, ain't it?
Truly it is.
Yeah. I tried to see things from your point of view, but if I did that, I have to hate myself and everyone else too. I can't live that way. That shit is for you. That kind of pain does not happen to you. Ecstasy and intimacy are like blissfulness. Shuddering through my body, loyalty and faithfulness. Leave me feeling full and floating on natural highs. It's only what's next. There are no more goodbyes. But now the facts are obvious, you cannot compare. I am not blind, deaf, or oblivious. Time to let go, that never wasn't us. You had no fidelity, loyalty, or trust. I went in all on you and